He can't get in there. Come on, you can do it.
My dog's fans. How about this?
Look what she's doing now.
I can't get it off.
That's my daughter. My beautiful. You can't get it off.
I can't get it off.
What are you gonna do now?
No.
Maggie, what is she doing to your kennel? What is she doing?
Your daughter out of the kennel.
Oh, my knees hurt.
I'm filming.
Okay.
Here, take this off.
Okay, ready?
Okay, I got it.
You can see she's
No, no, put it down.
legitimately
Put it down.
stuck.
Okay. You got it? Are you,
Oh, you're gonna take it
are you
apart?
really that stuck?
Ah, right, you're out.
There.
Okay, show the folks at home how easy it is to get into that kennel.
Should I try to get into the kennel?
Yes, everyone should try and get into the kennel. Good girl. Maggie knows how to get in the kennel. Okay, okay. So we're go ahead and head first. I'll lock you in there.
Let me pull up my pants.
And then you can try and get out with your toes. Can I lock you in there?
Okay.
All right. We're going to a movie. See you later.
No.
You can't get out of there now. I can see her little baby butt crack. Okay, I'm letting you out. Are you gonna? Can you turn around? All right. She doesn't want out yet. Oh my gosh.
Maggie, move.
Kidnappers at home. Watch carefully. You cannot. You can't. Maggie's like, she's in my kennel. Oh my gosh, she's gonna get it.
Come on, you can do this.
On my head.
You can do this.
Yes, I can.
Oh, she got the bottom one down.
Okay, get,
That
yeah.
one's easy. Yeah, she just did the bottom one.
Yep.
See,
No,
she got
use
the
your
bottom
top
one. Now
hand.
she got the top hand. She's got it.
Yep.
She can do it. Oh, that was close.
Oh, you're so close.
My foot. It's sweaty in here.
Is this wrong?
It might be a little
It might
wrong.
be a little
it might
wrong.
be a little wrong.
She can do it.
It's kind of funny though. Okay.
I wish I was dead. Oh my God! She almost
You
turned all
just
the way.
turned around.
Awesome! No way! Oh,
Okay.
come on, Silver, you can do it. There, you got the bottom one.
Open.
No, don't help.
Yes! Yes! Now she can't get out. I thought that was.
She can do it.
Whoa! Oh man! Don't help! Don't help! She gotta do it all by herself. Get that big butt out.
Like that.
Yes! Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, Silver Evil Side.
Are you doing like a
I
video?
did a whole movie of that whole thing. Oh, give a blow kiss to the fans. What's going on YouTube?
Are you really?
I'm totally putting that on YouTube.